Welcome to Tech Solution. How to set up the Arlo Wire-Free Camera. Launch the Arlo Secure app. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and tap Add New Device. On the Select Your Arlo Device screen, tap Cameras. On the Legacy screen, tap Arlo. Select an Arlo SmartHub or Arlo base station. Insert the batteries into the camera. Unlock the battery compartment by sliding and holding the latch. Insert the batteries as shown and close the battery door. Tap Continue. Press the S, Y, and C button on the camera for about 2 seconds and then release the button. When the LED on the camera is blinking blue, tap Continue. Arlo will begin looking for your camera. Name your Arlo camera and tap Finish. Thanks for watching.